Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Biology Kingdom Animalia educational representation by Purnima Dev. First specimen is phylum Porifera. Example is Cycon. It is marine sponge habitat. These are found attached to rocks, shells in marine water. About symmetry, cycons are radially symmetrical, grows in branched shapes. Parts of cycon, they are ostia and osculum. Small spores on the body, they are called as ostia. Apical opening is called as osculum. Oscular fringe. Osculum is ringed with hair-like spicules to block debris. Cyconoid water circulation. Water travels through microscopic pores into the radial canal, where beating flagella of collar cells filter out plankton and organic matter. Reproduction. These reproduce sexually as well as asexually. Asexual is by budding and sexual is by forming sperm and eggs. These are hermaphrodites. Second specimen is phylum Coelenterata. These are called as Nidaria. An example is Hydra. About habitat, these are found in fresh water. Size is about 2 to 20 millimeter in length and feed on small crustaceans such as Daphnia. Body body consisting body wall of epidermis, mesoglia and astroderm. Tentacles, these are parts of Hydra. They are 6 to 8 in number. They are arranged around hypostome. They are covered with nematoblasts. It has gonads, testes near hypostome and ovary near basal disc. Reproduction. These reproduce asexually and sexually both. Asexually, they reproduces by budding method and sexually by gamete formation as they are hermaphrodite. Both female and male gametes are present in one animal. Next slide is phylum Platyhelminthes. Example is liver fluke. It is parasitic flatworm that infects gallbladder, liver and bile duct of human and grazing animals like buffaloes, etc. Physical form, they are bilaterally symmetrical leaf-like flattened structures, 2 inches in length. They use ventral and oral suckers to attach the host. About digestion and feeding, they have highly branched intestine. Primary, they feed on blood and fluid of host tissue. Reproduction. Adult liver fluke are hermaphrodite. Both male and female sexes are present. They possess female reproductive and male reproductive organ. They produce thousands of eggs daily. About life cycle, eggs pass into the water and then hatch into the larvae. They insist in fish consumed by humans. Next specimen is phylum Astrelminthes. Example is Ascaris. In Marathi it is called as Janta. किंवा कृमी वाढतात. Ascaris, the roundworm, occurs as endoparasite in intestine of man. About symmetry, they are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, have organ level of body system. Their digestive tract is straight and complete, have muscular pharynx. Reproduction, male and female, they are separate. Male is about 10 inches in length and female is about 20 inches. Length of female is more than male and posterior end of male is coiled. Female has separate anal and reproductive openings. Body covered by thick cuticle, man infected by swallowing eggs of Ascaris with food. I have given diagram of male and female Ascaris. Next slide is phylum Annelida. Example is earthworm and leech. Earthworm, these are found in soil. These are terrestrial, whereas leech is found in pond, lake. These are ectoparasite. Earthworm's body is cylindrical. These are smooth worm, elongated, whereas leech having 33 segments, oral and posterior suckers. These are found in leech. It helps on locomotion. Earthworm's skin is soft and has up to 120 segments. Breathe through the skin. It play vital role in ecosystem by aerating soil and decomposing organic matter. So earthworm is also called as friend of farmer. Both leech and earthworm, they are hermaphrodite. Next slide is about phylum Arthropoda. Example is honeybee. They are social flying insects known for honey producing, and they are having critical role in pollination. They possess three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. They are of three types: queen, worker and drone. These are three types found in honeybee. Worker bee is sterile female. Drone Drones are the purpose. It is to mate with queen. Queen is responsible for laying about 2000 eggs per day. I have given label diagram of honeybee. There are three separate: queen, worker and drone. You can see the diagram. Next specimen is phylum Mollusca. Example is snail. These are soft-bodied, unsegmented, without appendages. Respiration takes place through gills. Shell grows for protection. It is coiled, made up of calcium carbonate. Circular system is open. They glide on single muscular foot. It secrete mucilage to avoid friction. They are hermaphrodite, possess male and female gamete. They lay fertilized egg into the damp soil. Next specimen is about phylum Echinodermata. Example is starfish. Starfish are marine invertebrate. They Their echinoderm means spiny skin. They lack blood. They use 2 feet for locomotion purpose. They have eye spot at the tip of each arm. Some species entirely generate into new starfish. They produce from arms at the center mouth is present. There are 4 arms in starfish. I have given diagram. See the diagram. Next specimen is about phylum Hemichordata. Example is Balagnoglossus. Balagnoglossus is burrowing and marine animal. These are found in shallow water. It is also called an acorn worm. This phylum considered as link between chordates and non-chordates. Body is divisible into proboscis, collar and trunk. These are 3 parts. These are separate 3 parts but they are attached. Collar is the part it is short and muscular. Trunk, it is found middle of collar and proboscis. It is divided into branchial, genital region, hepatic region and abdominal region. These are 3 regions. These are seen in diagram. Anus is present on posterior end of body. About reproduction, in these sexes are separate. Fertilization is external and free swimming larvae, they are called as tonaria. Next slide is phylum chordata. Example is Scoliodon. These are marine, carnivorous and commonly known as dogfish. The body is spindle shaped and compressed. It is divided into head, trunk and tail. There is no neck. Respiration equipped with five pairs of lateral gill cleft. Procurrent lateral eyes and slit like ventral mouth is present. Lateral line system for sensing. These are sensory organs. Reproduction. Scoliodon is viviparous. He gives birth to young one rather they lay eggs. Male can identified due to organ claspers near pelvic fin. Next class is class Osteichthyes. Example is labio. Osteon means bone. Ichthyes means fish. It is commonly called as rohu fish, found in fresh and marine water. Mouth is in terminal position. Claspers are absent. 4 pairs of gills slit is present covered by operculum. Body is covered with overlapping cycloid scales. It possesses long coiled intestine in digestive system. True stomach is absent. Rohu female lay eggs in fresh water and male release milk in water. Next specimen is class Osteichthyes. Example is frog. This is another example of frog, and They are amphibians, lives in water and soil, tail is absent. They are freshwater, two pairs of limbs are present in locomotion. They have large bulged eyes. It possesses jumping ability. Heart is four-chambered. They can breathe through lungs and absorb oxygen. In reproduction, fertilization is external. Male attracts female via vocal calls. Female lay eggs in water, then male release sperms over eggs. Eggs hatch into aquatic tadpole. Next class is Reptilia. Example is lizard. This is home lizard. It bears dry, scaly skin. These are crawling animals. Circulation is closed type. Heart is not perfectly four-chambered. Respiration is by lungs. Body divided into head, trunk, and tail. Head is triangular, consists of eyes. Nostrils and ears are present. They can often shed their tail and regenerate. Lizards mostly reproduce through internal fertilization. Some lizards male has reproductive organs to fertilize female eggs. Some give birth to young one. Some lays eggs. Some reproduce via parthenogenesis. Next specimen is about class aves. Aves means birds. Example is pigeon. Body is differentiated into head, neck, head, trunk and tail. Forelimbs are modified into wings for flying. Hind limbs, these are used for walking or running. Exoskeleton is made up of feathers. Scales are present on hind limbs. Forelimbs are modified into wings for flying. Respiration takes place through lungs. Jaws are modified into beak, and pigeons are seed eaters. Sexes are separate. They are oviparous. They lay eggs and fertilization is internal. Next specimen is about class Mammalia. Example we are taking here rat. See the diagram. In diagram we see the body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. These four parts. Tail is used for balance, thermoregulation and communication takes place through these part, and it causes great losses of field storage. Mammary glands in male have notably they are having notably growth. Female rat gives birth to 4 to 14 young ones. Forelimbs and hind limbs, these are well developed. Eyes are with eyelids. Brain is highly developed. These are about the class Kingdom Animalia. These are about the all slides. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel To view more videos,